Hi, it's Dr. Garza, Dr. Garza Plastic Surgery, and today we're talking about our approach to the mommy makeover. A mommy makeover procedure addresses two main areas, the abdomen and the breast. For the abdomen, we have three main goals. Number one, to remove the excess skin and fat in the lower abdomen. Two is to give you a more athletic and feminine waistline by adding liposuction in key areas and also do an internal corset procedure which can cinch the waistline and add to the aesthetic. And three, a nice low scar which can be hidden in your underwear or bikini line. For the breast area, we also have three main goals. Number one, we incorporate a lift type procedure to give you a more youthful appearance to the breast. Secondly, we can add volume to the upper portions of the breast or center portions to give you a shape and size you're looking for. And three, we use our plastic surgery techniques to give you a nice faint scar which will fade over time. Come see us at Dr. Garza Plastic Surgery. We'd be happy to see you.